Hi, I'm Mallory Varner, and I am the Vinyl Decorating Segment Manager for GSG. And I actually have been in the industry my entire life. I grew up around this. All of my family has been in this industry, so it is very unique and special to me. So I have been with GSG on and off in high school, college. I worked in warehouse, and even thanks to Rodney Williams, cleaned the sample shelf at one point in my life. But I joined full-time with GSG about 8.5 years ago. I was in the marketing department and then moved into screen printing sales, and then took over as branch manager of our Tulsa location, and then moved into the vinyl decorating segment manager. So a typical day for me at GSG is different every day, which makes, I think, my job even better, right? So some days I get to talk to customers all day, other days I'm recording videos, how-tos, or I'm testing products. It just depends really what's going on in our industry and what's happening that day in our world. I love going to trade shows, and I really, really love, my favorite part of my day is interacting with customers and getting to spend that one-on-one time and showing them new products, tips, tricks, stuff like that. So what I love the most about vinyl decorating and this industry in particular is that it doesn't matter if you are, a mom at home with a Cricut, or if you are a large shop, screen print shop doing names and numbers on a jersey. Heat transfer is involved in so many different aspects, and I just love the fact that you can do it from home, do it from your business, whatever it is. I just love that it kind of incorporates the stay-at-home mom all the way to the business, and it's helping those stay-at-home moms become a business. As a mom, I just absolutely love that opportunity that you can do that at home with your kids. My personal interests definitely drove me in my career. First of all, growing up in the screen printing industry, I absolutely just loved it anyway. But getting into screen printing, it can be a little bit challenging, and you've got to definitely have certain space and equipment and stuff like that. And I think with this, why I loved it so much, being a mom of actually 6, I love that it gives that opportunity to moms that, want to continue working, but they want to do it from home. They want to be there. They want to be able to go to their kid's basketball game or something like that. And I think that's why I loved this segment so much, is that it gave that opportunity to some moms that, maybe couldn't do daycare and work at the same time, or they just wanted to be there at certain aspects, and this could continue their career. And I definitely think as a mom, that really pushed my interest. And then once I got into it and became so enthralled with it, becoming a reseller and stuff like that, and helping those resellers grow, and then also helping the big screen printers grow, and adding this on to embroidery shops, screen print shops, sign and digital shops. I just thought it just, personally to me, I just loved how versatile this industry is. And so yes, definitely my personal interests helped me. So there was a time that I had a customer that was very happy they partnered with GSG. If you don't know a lot about GSG, our goal is not just to be your supplier and that's it. We really want to be your partner. If you grow, we grow. And I met with a reseller when I was just doing this position part-time, still running the Tulsa branch, and they wanted to get into reselling, and very nervous. She had a full-time career but loved this industry like I do, and saw the opportunity. And I remember sitting with her, going through everything, and she was so nervous, just doing it nights and weekends. Now she's doing it full-time, as staff, just the way she grew. And I love that when I talk to her, she's so grateful for our partnership and how we have worked together to grow her business, and how we continue to do so. Where there's a new product out there that I think she should carry, or even sometimes maybe it's something that she shouldn't, but that we have that trust and partnership together, I think is one of my absolute favorite memories. We love at GSG to, like I said, grow with you and be your partner. We don't just want to be your vendor. We had one time a strategic rep come in and talk to us and said, we're not a vending machine. We don't want to be your vendor. We're not buying a bag of chips. We want to be your partner, and that's what we're going to be. So when I am not at GSG, like I said, I have 6 kids, and very, very wide range of ages. So it depends on the child and what we're doing, whether it's baseball, football, softball. You know, we love playing cornhole as a family. Any games, it's kind of what our family likes to do. We are very blessed that all of our kids really get along well, and we actually truly enjoy all being together. My husband is my best friend, and so he and I like to, we're very competitive, so we like to beat our kids, whether it's cornhole or pass the bigs or euchre or anything like that. So when we are not working, we really like to just spend time together. We have a great group of friends as well, and we just really enjoy that quality time. If you have any questions or need assistance with anything, please feel free to reach out or go to GoGSG.com. Also, we have different videos on our YouTube channel at GSG. Be sure and subscribe, and we hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.